Yes.
Your Excellency, good morning.
Gentlemen.
Yes, welcome. This is an overview of the CBK police housing development. It sits on a 4.1 acre land.
Very good.
And it comprises 11 housing blocks on 5 floors with a total of 210 apartments. 200 apartments are 2-bedroomed and 10 of them are 3-bedroom apartments.
Okay.
Now, all the apartments are fully furnished. That is, we have provided the furniture, sofas, beds, fridges, cookers, washing machines, everything that you'll need in the apartment. And we have made sure we provide solar energy for both hot water and also for lighting the common areas and security lighting. Now, the way the apartments have been set up, they're made to be family friendly. If you see, there's a lot of green space, pockets of green space where people can sit and commune, and there's one large central open area, which maybe today you will not appreciate because the tent is there. But if you look at the image, that's the large central area, a courtyard.
So that's where you have the tent.
Yes, that's where the tent is today. But
Community area.
yes,
Very good.
and then there will be a lot of sitting space even at the rooftop or
Along this side.
yes, correct. Then we have got a very large underground water tank that provides backup water for a whole week. We've got a borehole, and we are also providing piped gas that will be metered to every house, and those are some of the amenities we're providing. Like I said, the area is supposed to be green, and so all 200 cars are parked in a semi-basement below, such that when you're up here, you don't really see them, but every house has got a parking. And so in terms of the neighboring plot, that was another plot for the police. It was in total a 9-acre plot, and 4.1 acres has been used for this development. But we have also done a bit for the police plot on the other side. We have provided, we have upgraded their sewer. We've provided a new road for them, provided a boundary wall.
Housing development.
Yes, they have houses on that side, the old houses, and but we decided to upgrade them because there's a lot of flooding in this area, just so to manage all that. So there's also been that community aspect to this project. We have planted more than 100 trees outside. Yes. Thank you. So that is an overview of the project.
Okay.
Thank you
very much. Officially open this great housing for our policy. Okay, so very good. Thank you very much.
sorry, I'm back again.
Yes.
So I'm showing you the furnished apartments. So this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
With a large utility area. So,
Yes.
yes,
You said you have water, underground water, you have a borehole.
yes, very large tank that can serve the whole places for home. The living area, dining and lounge. Again, we provided them with TV.
Yes.
Yeah. And then
Small veranda.
this is small veranda.
Yes.
That you open, that's it, those are the closing that they get. That is currency there for the
Is it just
you can see from this side.
okay. Oh, yes. Not bad.
Not too bad. Yes.
Ground plus 2.
Ground plus 3.
Plus 3. That's it.
Then this is the 2-bedroom.
Oh yeah, a full management. Acha nitoke, then you can get clear shots.
And by the way, you actually see, I forgot to mention all the material is actually locally sourced.
Everything.
All of it.
All tiles, the doors, and everything else.
And we made sure the furniture is up. So
So watu yako sasa watakuja hapa
Sasa ni ya masili,
No, even good stable, so long as they are working at Central Bank.
There are 3-bedroom, just.
This is the 2-bedroom.
This is the 2-bedroom. No, this is now the basic.
The basic, yeah.
Yeah.
That is very nice.
Yes. This is called
Hello, how are you? Ah, yes. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Thank you. Come on over. Thank you very much. Thank you.